all your stances. You have 3 stances today, and you're going to learn a front kick. So your hands are here, curl, curl, wrap. This is a fist, left hand here, right hand here. This is a ready stance. All 10 toes are here, everything's in line with each other. Your wrist is in line with your elbow, your elbow is in line with your shoulder. So this is your ready stance. When you come to attention, your left foot always slides over, and you slap, you bow, and ready stance. This is your ready stance. Okay, come to attention, bow, ready stance. Right, so the next thing that we're going to do is our stances. Those are the stances that you need to learn and review at a constant time. Your straddle leg stance is when your feet are 2 shoulder widths apart and your toes should be facing forward. And I want you to hold this for at least 2 minutes. Your knees should be in line with your heels should be in line with your feet, and all 10 toes should be facing forward. So you should be able to hold this, and I want you to hold it for about 2 minutes. So you start with 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, all the way until you get to 2 minutes, and then you build up until you get to a minute, and then you build up till you get to 2 minutes. So this is your straddle leg stance, and you're gonna work on that on your own on a constant basis every day. So this is your straddle leg stance. Your second stance that you are going to work on is a back stance. And so that way, you know, so this is, your feet is 1 shoulder width apart, and you're going to step forward, and your feet are gonna stay in line with each other, okay? And you're just gonna step here, and this is your forward stance. Your feet are always gonna be in line with your shoulders. Your front knee is bent, your back leg is straight. So you're gonna work on this for both sides. Your feet are always 1 shoulder width apart. This is your forward stance. So your back stance, what you're going to do is you're gonna lift this up, and you're gonna pivot your knee and your foot, and you're gonna put it down. Your feet are gonna be the shape of a letter L. So 5 toes that way, 5 toes that way, and it should be completely like this. This is a back stance. Both knees are bent. Your knees aren't in, they're out, okay? So you're gonna work on this for both legs. So you have 3 stances. Your straddle leg stance, you have your 1 shoulder width apart forward stance. You need to do both legs, 1 leg, 2 legs. Then you're gonna do your back stance, both legs. Left side, your back stance, both legs are bent, and you pivot. You always lift up the ball of your foot. You never just pivot with your whole foot. You pick your knee up and pivot over and put it down. That's how you're gonna keep switching. Pop, pop. So you're gonna practice that. So forward stance to back stance. I need this done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You start with 5 each leg, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so you're gonna have your feet like this, so that way you can press on the gas because you're keeping with the ball of your foot. So you're gonna relax, press, relax. All right, so press, relax, press, relax, press, relax, press, relax. Other foot, press, relax, press, relax, press, relax, press, relax. Okay, so there's 3 parts to a kick. So it's forward, kick, and recoil, and you're doing a front kick. So you're gonna take your left hand in front, your right hand behind, and when I say forward, you're gonna bring your foot up like a tabletop. It should like this, okay? So let's just do 5, ready, forward, put it down, forward, put it down, forward, put it down, forward, put it down, forward, put it down. Good, when I say switch guards, you're gonna switch your guard, and then you're gonna do it on your right side, forward. So it should look like a tabletop, just like this. And we're gonna do it 5 times. Ready, forward, put it down, forward, put it down, forward, put it down, forward, put it down, forward, put it down. Now you need to make sure you're bringing that foot up to your chest. And it's tabletop. I don't want a flamingo and put it up like this. Now we're gonna add the kick and the recoil together. So I'm gonna do it sideways so you can see before we move on each leg. You're gonna fold. When you kick, you're gonna kick to the knee from now until you do more reps, and then you'll be able to kick waist level. So you're gonna fold, kick, recoil, and kick down. So I'm gonna do both legs on each side, and I'm gonna face this way so you can see. Left guard up. You need to make sure you have your guard up. When we switch legs, you switch the guard. So we're doing our left side. Ready, fold, kick, recoil, put it down. 1, hold, kick, recoil, put it down. 2, hold, kick, recoil. 3, put it down, hold, kick, recoil, put it down. 4, hold, kick, recoil, put it down. 5, switch guards. Now you're doing your right leg. Ready, hold, kick, recoil, put it down, hold, kick, recoil, put it down. 2, hold, kick, recoil, put it down. 3, hold, kick, recoil, put it down. 4, hold, kick, recoil, put it down. 5. I'm gonna do the kick all together, all at once. I'm gonna stay turning to the side so that way you can see. So our left guard is up. Ready? We're gonna do 10 on each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other leg, switch guard. Make sure you switch guard. If you don't switch guard, there's no point. Ready? 1, 2, 3,